Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video VersAttach Cultivator Attachment Operation and Maintenance. For information regarding the power head or other attachments for the VersAttach system, see the appropriate video. For your safety when using any of the VersAttach attachments, read all of the safety warnings and other instructions in the applicable owner's manual before use. Always wear the proper safety equipment. To install an attachment to the power head, simply loosen the joint knob. Twist the set pin knob 180 degrees from its locked position and firmly insert the attachment tube so that the black arrow on the attachment tube is aligned with the projection just ahead of the set pin knob. Once the attachment is inserted fully, an audible click will be heard from the set pin knob as it locks the attachment in place. Once fully inserted, use the joint knob to secure the attachment as shown. The power head should never be run without an attachment or damage to the power head may occur. Before operating the VersAttach Cultivator Attachment, let's identify the cultivator components: shaft tube, cultivator blades, clevis pin, transmission case, and guard. Once the attachment is securely installed, it's recommended to inspect the cultivator and the power head for possible safety concerns like loose parts or a damaged safety guard. Always hold the cultivator to your right side to prevent contact with the hot muffler. Once the engine is started, it's recommended to increase the throttle to full speed for maximum soil tilling efficiency and allow the engine to idle when not tilling. Place the cultivator blades directly on the soil that you intend to till. Then, while firmly holding the VersAttach cultivator, apply throttle and allow the cultivator to dig into the soil. For other tips on how to use your VersAttach cultivator, be sure to read the operation section of the owner's manual. Keeping the cultivator clean and free of dirt and other obstructions can prevent possible damage, so it's recommended that you inspect the cultivator blades, guard, and transmission case before operating. Only attempt to clean the blades and power head with the engine off and the engine switch in the off position. Never use water or a water hose on the attachment or the power head. Occasionally, the cultivator blades will need to be removed from the tiller to remove entangled debris. With gloves on, remove the clevis pins that secure each shaft pin into place and set aside. Then, remove each shaft pin and also set aside. Remove the individual cultivator blades as needed to remove any debris. Reinstall the cultivator blades in the same order and direction that they were removed. Each blade is directional, so if the cultivator blades are installed backwards, the cultivator will not operate properly. With a few simple maintenance steps, your VersAttach cultivator attachment can be trouble-free for years to come. About every 20 hours of usage, the cultivator transmission case should be greased using NLGI No. 2 grease or equivalent. To grease the cultivator transmission case, it may be necessary to remove the cultivator tines from the unit. Remove the grease nipple on the transmission case and set the nipple aside. Add grease until no more grease can be added, and then reinstall the grease nipple and wipe up any excess grease. Reinstall the cultivator blades in the same order and direction that they were removed. For additional information regarding the VersAttach trimmer attachment, refer to your owner's manual or contact your Honda Power Equipment dealer.